How to set up hotkeys on Interactive Brokers 2026 full guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to set up hotkeys in Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation, so you can create and transmit orders faster without hunting through menus mid-trade. Hotkeys let you assign specific keystrokes to order actions like buy, sell, transmit, and cancel, which matters a lot when speed counts in a fast-moving market. Let's set them up. Step 1. Open Trader Workstation and access the hotkey configuration. For the mosaic view, click the File menu in the top left corner to find the hotkey settings. Step 2. Know exactly what you can assign. You can map any single keystroke or a combination using Ctrl and Shift with one of the 26 keyboard letters to specific order creation and transmission commands. Step 3. Start building a shortcut from scratch by first selecting the desired command from the list of possible actions at the top of the configuration screen. Step 4. If the command you want isn't immediately visible, check the box next to show hidden actions in the top right corner. This expands the full list of available actions you can assign a hotkey to. Step 5. Assign your chosen key combination to that command, then save your configuration. Step 6. Know that hotkeys aren't limited to just basic buy and sell orders. You can also create hotkeys for specific tools within TWS like Chart Trader or Option Trader, letting you speed up actions across different parts of the platform, not just the main order entry window. Step 7. If you're using the newer APK desktop platform instead of classic TWS, know that the hotkey setup lives within its own workspace customization panel alongside your layout, chart settings, and watchlists, since APK desktop is built as a more modern, user-friendly alternative to the older TWS interface. Here's a pro tip. Before you start assigning random keys, plan out a consistent, memorable pattern first. For example, always using Control plus a specific letter for buy orders and Shift plus that same letter for sell orders. A consistent system prevents costly mix-ups during fast market moves, which matters a lot more with hotkeys than with a slower, click-based order entry process. One more thing worth remembering: hotkeys speed up execution, but they don't reduce your actual trading risk, so always double-check your order details before transmitting, especially while you're still getting used to a new hotkey setup. So that's exactly how to set up hotkeys in Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation to speed up your order execution. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading platform tutorials, and let me know in the comments which platform are you setting this up on: Classic TWS or the new APK desktop.